Check this out. This channel uploaded just 4 shorts, and the first video got 17 million views, while the second one got 2.2 million views. With just 6 videos, it already has 48.3K subscribers. Today, I'll show you how to create videos like this. I've added the image prompts in the YouTube description. Make sure to check them out. Important note: using these prompts, you might only be able to create 1 or 2 images at first. But don't worry, in this video, I'll show you how to make your own custom prompts step by step. I'll teach you how to take a single prompt and turn it into unlimited personalized versions so you can create any kind of image or video you want. Watch the full video, don't skip any part, or you might miss something important. If you're new here, subscribe to the channel and like the video. And let's get started. Step 1. First of all, open Leonardo.ai and follow me step by step. I will guide you completely on how you can create your own prompts. I've provided the prompts below in the description. After that, I will click on Image, and here you need to select the size as 9:16. Copy the prompts. I'll provide them in the YouTube description. Then select Phoenix 1.0, comma paste the prompt, and click on Generate. The image has now appeared. Look, it's an amazing image. You can see it yourself. Now, keep pasting the prompts like this. Just copy and paste the prompts. But how to create your own prompts? That's very important. As you can see, the image is now ready, just like the ones on this YouTube channel. If you want, you can also create this image on Pixelman. That's also a free website. There too, you need to select the size as 9:16 and paste the prompts. Asterisk, asterisk. How do we create our own prompts? For example, if you want to add an eagle or a big cat to your image, what should you do? It's simple. Just copy my prompt and paste it. Then make a small change like this. Replace the tiger with a large eagle that looks exactly the same in terms of character. When you click Generate, ChatGPT will create the image for you. But since we want to create it for free, and ChatGPT only generates 2 images, what can we do? Please see below for how to add this step for free. Replace the tiger with a large eagle that looks exactly the same in terms of character. As you can see, the prompt has been generated. I will copy this prompt and paste it into Leonardo.ai. And now look, the image has been created. It looks really great. You can see that the eagle has been added perfectly. If you want to make further changes like, now make the background daytime, not nighttime, and the eagle should be... ChatGPT will generate a new prompt for that too. Just copy and paste it and your updated image will be created. After that, I'll create another image. So, what will I do to generate one more image? I'll simply write this prompt. Please replace the eagle with a large cat, and the man's clothes should be a red paint coat and a white shirt. As soon as I write this, a new image prompt will appear. I'll copy and paste it into Leonardo.ai. And now look, my new image is ready. You can see how amazing this image looks. In this way, you can create your own prompts. You can replace any animal with the one you like. It's completely up to you. Step 3. Generate a video. To generate videos, I use 2 websites, digenai and haley.video. Both are great platforms for creating videos like this. Let's start with haley.video. When you sign up with a new Gmail account, it gives you 1,100 free credits. Once those are used, it gives you 100 additional credits later on. The second tool is digenai. It gives you 300 credits daily, and after that, it keeps adding more credits every day. As you can see, I currently have over 400 credits. This means you can create videos for free using these tools. It does take a little time to process, but eventually your video is generated. Now what's next? It's time to create the video, and the prompt is very important. I'll give you the action prompt in the YouTube description. Open haley.video, click on Create Video. go to the image section and upload the image you created earlier. Then write or paste the prompt. You can either type it directly or copy it from the YouTube description. Here's an example prompt. Cinematic medium slow motion shot of a confident brand owner walking toward the camera, coat subtly moving in the wind, exuding power and control. Behind them, My point is, copy this prompt from the YouTube description and paste it into the tool. Once you do that, your video will start generating. Next, I will open digenai. This site gives you 300 credits daily, and the next day, you get another 300. With 300 credits, you can make around 10 videos. Here's what to do. Click on Create Video, then click on Upload Image and upload your image. After that, write or paste your prompt. Now click on Generate Video, and the video will begin processing. In the same way, you can upload your second image, paste the new prompt, and start generating the next video step by step. Your second video will also start generating. In this way, you can quickly create videos using both websites. Just choose the one that gives you the best results. Use whichever site gives you the better looking video. If you're using haluai.video, simply keep uploading your images one by one and the video creation will begin. So just upload all your images and for each one, paste the prompt and your videos will start generating one after another. It's that easy. Now you can see my videos are ready on both websites. I will download and save them. I really liked the video style on haluai.video. It looks very good. I'll recommend you use it if you also like that style. Final step after that, I will go to CapCut and edit the video. CapCut is a really great tool. You should try it too. I use it myself because it has excellent effects and animations. Once I finish editing, I will export the video. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Next time, I'll bring you another new method.